Now, all fun and joke aside, somebody take a look on this. Somebody, come here if you're not busy. Look on this a woman your face and tell me, you no ever see when goat call yet? You understand? Me grow with my grandmother a country me grow. You no ever see goat call yet? Look on the woman face and tell me say if this a woman you not call. Eh? You understand? But me tell you something. Big up to Dexta Daps. Nothing against Dexta Daps. You understand? Dexta Daps are general. My woman is allowed to go to a Movado concert. My woman, make Movado sing Jehovah guide me, be my guidance. You understand? Make Movado sing Give me Caribbean girls. Not a problem. You understand? My woman is allowed to go to a Valiant concert. 100 million and nothing for withdraw down pan. You understand? My woman is allowed to listen to some Alkaline. No problem. See? But my woman is not allowed to go to a Dexta Daps concert. Me say it already, I'm gonna say it again. You understand? Now tell me now, look at this. Me don't know if you never see that clip here. You want to tell me, say, if this had it my woman, she could have come back in my house after me see what Dexta Daps do to her? Eh? Me see Dexta Daps lay down on top of the woman. And the man wind up. My grandmother used to say it come like a September pan gum. See? The man wind up like a tie. You understand? Me hear Dexta Daps lay down out na the girl and say, don't move, baby. Don't move. Baby, don't move. It come like I said, come Dexta Daps out for come. You understand? Now tell me now, if this was my woman, would it be right for you to come back into my house? No. The relationship is on its way to being over. You're not my woman again. A Dexta Daps woman you be now. You understand? You could have never come back in my bed. You'd have to go reborn and come back in our next lifetime. And even after that, Taras, me not feel like me not still want you back after me see what Dexta Daps do to you. Eh? Me not tell my woman go to Dexta Daps concert, bedroom. You understand? And if it so happen that me and my woman see Dexta Daps in the airport at the same time, right? And if he ever make a scream out when he see Dexta Daps, I give him a raw swap in his back, you see. Shut your mouth when you see Dexta Daps. Big up to Dexta Daps. Me not have nothing against Dexta Daps, but the truth I truth.